Hey there guys, Skylar here, and today we're going to be doing how to make a zombie on Roblox. So yeah, I made a vampire video. I'll try to link it into the description or in the pinned comment. But also I just want to tell you guys something. I got a job at Taco Grande, so I might be more focusing on my career, so hopefully you guys can understand. Let's get into it. Alright, first you want to go to your um your skin tone, and you want to go to any green you want. I preferred the second one, and this last one's too light, so I just like this one. Alright, then you're going to go to the catalog, then go to characters, and then type in zombie. Okay, so you're going to have to scroll down. You go to right here. It's 500. Yeah. Then you're going to look up any type of hair you want, but I'd prefer you'd wear the beautiful hair for beautiful people. You can pick any one. I got the blonde one and the black one, but honestly I think the black hair for beautiful people looks a lot better, so yeah. Alright, then you're going to want to look up zombie face, and you could either pick the 175 Robux one, or you could pick the 200 Robux one. I like the 200 Robux one better, and I'm not paying 1,000 Robux for sad zombie, no way. So you just get that one. Then you look up zombie shirt, and I choose this one because it looks good to me, in my opinion. You could pick whatever one you want. It's not up to me. Then look up zombie pants. You should find any one you want. Yeah, so I'll show you which one I picked in a little bit. So I picked this one because it goes with the shirt. Then you don't have to, but I'd recommend it. Look up zombie animation, which is 500 Robux, which is expensive. So yeah, you just buy it if you want it. You don't have to. And there you have it, the zombie. Also guys, yeah, go check out my Instagram. Please follow it. I'm trying to get to 800 subscribers or 750. It don't matter. Just please help me get there. So in total, you're gonna spend 1,355 Robux. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.